Back it up, back it up, back it up.
Soldier boy, tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soldier Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times. Yeah. Saying, yeah. Hey. Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. Yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah,
What's up, guys? We are on our way to drop off our packages. Hey. Yeah, sure. What's up, vlog? It's still Monday. My fan is like 108 degrees in my don't mind that. It's not 26, but tell me why I just got hit on these kiss nails. Look, don't look like I just got a fresh petty mani. That's all I have to say. It'll be my link in the description, and just check out my Amazon storefront. But these right here, $5 for a full fresh manicure. Can't be there, and you can work with them because they're not long. So it's Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Tuesday, yeah. Let's eat food.
This is what I wanted them for.
Right.
They gave you a plan. Yeah. Gave me real still, boy.
Reaction.
So good. Not?
Is it Chick-fil-A?
Oh no.
Not better than Chick-fil-A?
But it's good. Look at 7.5, 8.
For the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white matching in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Big tickle lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool right. Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. I feel like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they semi-automatic.
What's up, y'all? It's later Tuesday. I got my nails done. Not these are press-ons. I think I showed you guys that last night though, but I got my toes done. I'll show you guys a little bit later, but I am at my little photo shoot spot. I'm about to take pictures. I only have one outfit today because I really didn't feel like packing multiple, and I have to get on a call in like 15 minutes, so I have to make this quick. But also, I don't love my hair. Like, it's cute, but I just don't like dark hair on me at all, and like, I don't know, it's just not giving for me. So I just want to take one picture with this hair, and then I'll probably wear my natural hair for a couple of days because I haven't worn my natural hair out in a while, or I'll just reinstall an older wig. But yeah, I just wanted to update y'all, and I'm gonna set you guys up, of course, for me to take these pictures. And it's like almost 7, so the light looking real good on your girl. And I did have on lashes. I had on lashes. It would have made the look, but they came off, so it is what it is. I literally feel like this wig is just about to fly off my head. Like, it's not secure at all. I got this from a thrift. I don't even know the brand of it. The light is really bright. Marc Jacobs shorts. It's gonna be coming up in like a haul. I think these are from like Rose Week or something like that. And then I have my Christian Dior's on. So yeah, y'all. I think like broke my camera.
How you make the preacher sweat? Read the Bible, Jesus wept. Bitch said that she gon' try me. How come I ain't seen it yet? Gave it to him so good that his eyes rolled back. So you said it's all hers while thighs don't match. How you make the preacher sweat? Read the Bible, Jesus wept. Bitch said that she gon' try me. How come I ain't
Hey y'all, I am back from the gym. It is Wednesday, hump day. Yeah, I'm about to make me some eggs for breakfast. It's 9 o'clock. I don't want to go upstairs to my room because it's so hot. My hair not done. I need to put another wig on because I really don't want to wear my natural hair out until I dye it, which I'm gonna dye it this weekend though. So I'm just gonna put another wig on. I took the last one off because it wasn't me. The black braids was not me. I might just start making my food. I personally like to put onions in my eggs. I want to open some packages, well, like one package, because I already opened some and I don't feel like putting it back in the package because I have to open it for TikTok. Oh, I'm so bloated. I need to, if you watch my last weekly vlog, you know what I said about packages. Go watch that after this video, but I won't do it, you know, I won't do it. Okay, this is a claw clip. It's way smaller than I expected. Okay, and this is another one. This one's cuter and it's bigger. I remember what this stuff is. I ordered 3 bags from this one vendor. Let's see how they looking now. Oh, this one is cute. It's smaller than I expected, but this is so cute. 10 out of 10. Okay, again, way smaller than I expected. This is like a shirt, but okay. I'm not feeling this. I really think it's the chain that I don't like, which essentially I could like kind of tuck it in, but I don't know. Maybe if it was stuffed, it'll look a little better. But this is how it looks. But I like the material. Just not really the chain, but everything else, cool. Okay, that's all. I do have some more packages, but check that out on TikTok if you want to see me unbox some more stuff. I'm about to go upstairs and plan out my day. Literally, like I said, it's so hot in my freaking room. It's gonna be very uncomfortable, but it is what it is. I really need to sit down and look at all the sponsorships that I have to do because I know I have some coming up, and just like look over my emails. What's up, y'all? Today is Friday. It's 11 o'clock. I went to the gym. I didn't record under that. I look very crazy. The plan for today is I'm going to take pictures, so I just want to do a whole bunch of content work. If you guys want to see that, I did get a new tripod because my mom stepped on mine and broke it, so I did pick up a new tripod. It's very sleek. I'm very much in love already, and I haven't even opened it yet, but this is what it looks like. Baby, this can come with me everywhere. I love it. I absolutely love it. So it says take out from the bottom, and it comes with a little remote. A 2-in-1, and you can recharge this, so you don't need to buy batteries. I love that. But I think I'm gonna do an Amazon haul very soon. And then you push here. Oh, wait. Slide up for Hey y'all, I finished my makeup and I finished my hair. Yeah, it's too bright right now, but I don't feel like changing the settings. Now since I did both of those, I'm about to do some unboxing, so I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna do it on my phone as well because we need all the content that we can get. I'm just afraid that my light's gonna die soon because I didn't charge it last night. So yeah, these are all the boxes that I'm going to unbox. On camera, I'll probably do like a part 1 and 2 when I get on here, but you guys are going to see them all right now. I'm gonna be looking this way, but you get the vibes. You know the vibes. I can barely see. I'm excited. Can you guys see that? Cute. It's a little tight. It's a size 8. I don't know why it's so tight. Yeah, see the vibe. Not me messing it up. Getting it dirty already. It's crazy. I don't want to try them on. Oh, these are a look. 10 out of 10 already. And they come with a little bag. And what about it? What the heck? They're so cute. Look how cute these are. Yeah, these are bomb. And they weren't that expensive. And this is a short heel. Alright y'all, so that's the unboxing. I do have more boxes, but I don't want to do the same like look all the time. I'm going to switch the look up. So I'll probably do those later on during the week or during the day or something. I'm not sure. But I'm just about to set all this stuff to the side. I'm very excited for my new phone case though. Alright y'all, I just finished making my YouTube video for the collective haul. I'm working. Now the last thing that I can't talk anymore. Now the last thing that I have to do before I go take pictures is do the outfit of the days, or like the try on haul of me in my mirror, trying on my clothes, trying on the outfit. So I need to pick the outfits out because I don't even know what I'm about to wear yet. But I know I need to do 3. I gotta suck it up, do 3, go outside in the muy caliente, and you know, put in his work. But after I finish taking pictures, I'll be done with content for the day because I did a lot today. Pat on the back, but I did a lot today. So yeah, I might reward myself going to the thrift or something. Oh, but I do really want to look at birthday dresses. Like, I gotta get on that. Gotta get on. Week 1 of August is almost over and I have no potential buys. So yeah. Hey y'all, I finally made it to the destination. I went somewhere else, which I knew I shouldn't have. Try to find another picture of scenery, but it didn't work out. So I'm about to dress myself. I'm back in my usual. I have 3 outfits today. It's gonna be a lot, but I'm hoping I can get finished in 20 minutes. So let's see if I can. I think I can. It's 1:54, so by 2:15 I should be done. I want to be done because I don't want to be out here all day, and it's very, very, very hot again. So I'm not gonna be out here all day because I don't want to take all my makeup off. So yeah, so let's just get right into this. The first outfit is very, very chill. Hold on guys. The first outfit is very chill and stuff. So yeah, the worst part about all of this is just changing. Like, I literally hate changing in the car because, like, what if someone rides up here? Very scary, very scary. I got the keys, I got everything. Okay. Alright y'all, first set done. Very, very easy. It's giving. I'm gonna make it in my time that I wanted to. blast this AC. Okay, that's OD. That's OD. That kind of scared me. Back it up. First pictures done. Done. And it's 2 o'clock, so that took me like 5 minutes. Yeah. And what about it? Control update. I finished taking the second pictures and decided I was gonna take the third. Are you surprised? I'm not. But why is my light like that? Like, what the heck? Am I bugging? Anyways, I don't know why it's like that, but yeah, I'm tired. It's hot. It's 87 degrees and it's humid. So I'm definitely gonna go home. I will I will shoot that maybe tomorrow or something, a later date, but not today, boo-boo. Not today. It's too hot and I want to change up my hair and I just didn't want to be like a sweaty mess in my pictures. What's up, y'all? It's Saturday, the last day of this vlog, but I'm about to head to a thrift. It's like 8 something in the morning. I really need to do my edges, but yeah, I'm swollen. I'm always swollen when I first wake up. This is the fit. I'm sure you guys have seen this look so many times, but it's just this basic top and then my essential shorts and then just some Crocs. Very simple. I'll probably pack a sweatshirt just in case it's cold in the thrift. But yeah, I will see you guys once I get there. And I don't really know what else I'm doing today. I think I want to go shop for my dress. I know I've been saying that for the past like week and I haven't done it, but hopefully I can do it today. So yeah, y'all, just check it in. Saturday, last day of this vlog, and next week I'm going to Chicago, so the next vlog that you see will be a Chicago vlog. All right, y'all, we finally made it to the thrift. It's 9 o'clock. I think I should be out here by 11. I don't think I'm gonna stay too long. Hopefully I can find some good stuff. The place has already been open for an hour, so I know it's probably gonna be a little busy in there, but you know, we're gonna see what the vibes are today.
Give it to him so good that his eyes roll back. So you said it's all hers while thighs don't match. Bougie, bad and thick. I could buy designer for this fashion over. Bougie, bad and thick. I could buy designer for this fashion over. Bougie, bad and thick. I could buy designer for this fashion over. Bougie, bad and thick. I could buy designer for this fashion over.